Alright guys, so I'm repainting my wheels. I decided it's about that time. It's been 2 years with the blue. It's time to change it up. So we're just going to do just a basic black. I'm doing one side at a time. I'm going to do this side, hopefully get it done by tonight to put them on, to put the wheels on tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll do the other side. At least that's the plan. That's the goal at least. Right now I'm just cleaning them because they're super dirty. I'm using this little drill attachment, this little brush right here, and it's doing a really nice job. Like here's the before, here's the after of what it looks like. There's still some dirt in some areas that I couldn't reach. I'll just have to clean that up later. But overall, it's super clean compared to how they were at the beginning. You can see all the brake dust and all the just dirt. Real disgusting. Like you could actually almost tell a difference in color. You can see how this one's more lighter now. This one's more darker because of all the dirt and grime that's on that one. But so I'm just cleaning them. I'll probably update you guys again once I get the first coat on, because it's just sanding and, you know, all the boring stuff. So it is a new day. Kind of ran out of daylight yesterday, but I managed to get the two done, and they're looking really good, coming out really well. I am very happy with this. Now, this is just the spray paint. I haven't clear coated them yet. I'm about to do that right now. But even without the clear coat, I mean, this is glossy. I'm not too upset about this. Looking pretty good. Well, I wanted to keep painting outside, but it was just way too windy. So I brought the wheels in the garage. Got my little paint booth set up. Very nice, very nice. We're looking legit, boys. Got the second thing of clear on. Waiting for that to dry. And then I'm only gonna do probably just 3 coats of clear just to make it easy. So the final coat of clear is on. I only did 4 coats. This rear wheel kind of got messed up. There's kind of a textured pattern to it. I think I just laid down the clear too heavy too quickly. It's fine, I'm not worried about it. From far away it looks fine. That's all I care about. This one's already done, been drying for about an hour or 2. Came out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. Again, there's imperfections, but it's fine. I'm not too butthurt about it. So while I let these dry, I'm going to head to the doctor's because I need to go get my balls touched and some blood taken. So when I get back from that, hopefully these are dry enough that we'll get them on the car. I'll put the center caps in, the little valve stem caps, and getting it on the car, hopefully I don't mess it up. Oh, here you go. You guys can kind of see now up close the texture. It's almost like it looks like wrinkled black almost right now. Hopefully when it dries it doesn't come out like that. We'll see. Doesn't look too bad, like I said, from far away, so oh well. And she's all done. I actually dig it. Looks pretty good from far away. I'm happy. Now guys, I didn't do the other side. This side is still blue. Hope you guys liked that video. I'm gonna paint the other side probably tomorrow or the next day. I gotta get to work tonight, so I gotta drive this thing. Let me know what you guys think of the new color. Do you still like the blue or do you prefer the black? Right now I prefer the black because I had the blue wheels for 2 years. It was fun, but it's now time for something new. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.